Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a leprechaun ice cream cones. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need some kind of vanilla ice cream, whatever kind you like. And then we need 4 of the green colored cones, or however many. I'm making 4, so you can make however many you want. Then, of course, we need some candy eyes. And then we have the orange marshmallows. That's these fruity flavored little mini marshmallows for the beard. And then I cut just green ones in half for the noses. And then I've got some buckles here we just made out of the yellow. And then I thought it would be fun to add some little decorations I got out of the Lucky Charms. And then I took some of the Airhead Extremes from my last video and to make the little mouths. And that's it. That's all you need. So right now I just have a pan right here with aluminum foil on it. And I'm going to scoop out my 4 scoops of ice cream for the head. So they could be as big or as little as you want them to be. All right, I scooped out my 4 heads. Those look pretty good to me. So I'm going to just put those back in the freezer while I get everything else ready to go. All right, next I'm going to use my green writing gel, which I'm not even sure if I told you that we needed this, but you need some kind of something to make everything stick. So I'm using that. And I'm just going to pipe a ring around my little ice cream cone here to resemble a hat. All right, my little leprechaun hats are all ready to go. And just a tip, if you are going to use the black writing gel, shake it first. I didn't on that one and it got a little bit crazy, but those ones look so cute. So now let's go ahead and get our ice cream out of the freezer and assemble the face. All right, my little leprechauns are all assembled here, and you have to work fast. And if you feel like everything is melting, just stick it back into the freezer so it can set up more. So I'm going to stick these back into the freezer, and then I'm going to see what Taste Tester thinks. All right, Taste Tester's got his out of the freezer, so let's see what he thinks. Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.